Hey guys, it's Curtis from All the Kings Project again. Got the door panel back on, got everything back in, got the switch in. I even replaced the mirror, put a different mirror on there because the other mirror was broke. I just had a little chip out of it, but I wanted another one. And I'm going to get another mirror for the other side, but it's not going to go on here, it's going to go on Torado. And I'm going to put bigger mirrors on there. I think these mirrors off this avalanche will fit on there, and I'm gonna try that. But anyway, it's all back together. There's a little piece that was broke off there. I glued it back on with that plastic weld. I had to glue a piece on here, plastic weld that back together, and that new piece I cracked it, broke it, so I glued it back. But it's in there. It's still a little loose, but it's okay. But anyway, door panel's back on and everything's looking good. Anyway, I'm just fixing this truck up. Like I say, I'm going to get rid of that antenna. That looks ugly. But got in the dash cover, and this is all nice and straight and not broke. The other one was broke right down the middle. I don't know how that happened, but it did. But it's what we got, and we're looking good. Anyway, that's the end of this little short project. Anyway, peace out, y'all. Hey, you know what? Everyone have a good day, rest of your day. Have a good day tomorrow. Have a good day on Tuesday and Wednesday. Make it the best day of the week. Fortunately, the third day is Wednesday. Make a good day. Oh, by the way, I'm going in on Wednesday to go have a scope done on my knee and possibly get a plan of action on it to see what we're going to have to do with it, because it's starting to hurt me real bad, and I'm going to try to fix it because it feels like it's doing like the wife did. She did do her double knee surgery and she came out fine and she came out fighting. On that third day she was walking and she was raring to go back to work, but they wouldn't let her. But anyway, she's back to working and everything's good. But she's doing well, you know. And so, fortunately, it's probably my turn now. And I'm hoping maybe I don't have to have surgery. I can just do it with therapy and exercise and stuff like that. But if we have to, we have to. But anyway, I'm going to jump off here. Like I say, I hope everybody has a good day. If I don't catch y'all again on YouTube, y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. And be thankful for what you got. Be thankful we live in a country that we can celebrate Thanksgiving Day. But anyway, see y'all next time. Peace out again. Bye-bye.